Summary content and collect reviews that people are talking of. QPKING M528 MIG/ARC 3-in-1 Welder Stick Welding Machine, Digital Inverter Welder, 50 to 180 amp IGBT Welding Machine Kit. Lift Portable Electric Welder Machine 110 volt. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs. Filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. Multiple welding modes. AUTOOL M528 MIG Arcade Digital Inverter is an all-in-one welder with MMA mode, MIG mode and TIG mode, perfectly suitable for welding multiple different work pieces, such as carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum alloy and other materials. 2T/4T/spot wire feeding modes. 3 different wire feeding modes are available to adjust the wire feeding frequency as required. Using a high-quality wire feeding machine, iron, to ensure smooth wire feed. Energy saving and convenient, this is optimized to deliver a flawless welding, making spatter and post-weld cleanup almost non-existent. Portable handle makes it easier to operate, the lightweight makes it more convenient to carry around. Current and voltage display. Voltage display. The gas-shielded welding mode displays the preset value, and the manual welding mode displays the actual value. Current display. MIG mode shows wire feed speed preset value and actual current during welding, while MMA mode and lift TIG mode show current preset value. Adjustable welding parameters. Speed adjustment. Adjust the wire feed speed in MIG mode. Voltage adjustment. Functions only in MIG mode to regulate voltage. Inductance adjustment, works in MIG mode to adjust the hardness and softness of the arc, and in MMA mode and lift TIG mode to adjust the current. QPKING M528 MIG Arcade Digital Inverter Welder can provide a variety of welding types, including manual welding, argon arc welding, gas-shielded welding. It can be used for welding carbon steel, stainless steel, aluminum alloy and other materials, and for welding solid wire and flux cord. It features fully digital control, stable output, compact size, lightweight, high efficiency and energy saving, easy arc starting, stable welding process, good formation, easy installation, and simple operation. If you want to get highlight features and full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, if you think our channel is useful for you, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.